Hello, welcome to Cloud Technologies. In this video, we will see how to apply rate limiting policy on your APIs. Okay, this is our second video on API applying API security policies. So first thing, what is rate limiting policy? In order to control the traffic of your API to invoke a particular number of times in a specific period of time, we will actually go for this rate limiting policy. For example, if you would like to invoke your API only three times or four times per a minute in order to control the traffic, you can select this rate limiting policy and configure accordingly as per your requirement. Okay, please share, subscribe, and like our videos for more videos. So let's start today's session. Okay, to do that, I'm actually logging into my Anypoint platform, and this is the API which we have developed in one of our previous sessions. This is an employee API where we once we hit that we can get the employee information as a static data, if you remember. Okay, so let me hit this API and see if it is allowing me to invoke how many number of times. Okay, so let me hit this API. For now, actually, in our previous example, we have applied only client ID secret policy for this API, if you remember. So now I'm sending requested first time, second time, third time, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, 9, 10, and so on. So if how many number of times if I can invoke, it is actually allowing me to click send a request to my API and get the response. So it is not throwing any error. So if I would like to allow this API calls limited to only three calls for a 2 minutes or 5 minutes of interval, let's see how can we apply this policy. Okay, let's go to our API manager. Log into your Anypoint platform. Navigate to API manager from this menu. So once this is open, if you remember this demo employee API, which we have actually implemented in our previous sessions, you need to click on this version 1 to open this API. Just click on it. Under go to policies section, if you can see, we have already applied this client ID enforcement policy in our previous policy session. Now to apply this rate limiting policy, click on apply new policy button available. Okay, here these are the different number of policies which we can apply to our API. Okay, among this you need to select this rate limiting policy. Just expand that and select the latest version which is available there. Here 1.3.4 is the latest one. So select that radio button and click on configure policy. Now here these are the options we need to configure to apply this rate limiting policy. Okay, and the first one identifier is like in some situations, like if you would like to control your API calls based on the query parameter or headers or attributes. If you would like to control specific to that query parameter, you can mention that query parameter name here. Like for only for employee number one, if you would like to invoke only three times, then you can configure your policy like attributes dot query parameters employee number one in that way. Okay, otherwise it is an optional, actually you can ignore that. Under this limits section, you will find three options like hash of request, that is nothing but number of requests, and second one is time period, then say the third one is time unit. So now the number of requests I have configured 3, and time period is 2, and time unit also you can select minute. It means like within 2 minutes of interval it will only allow 3 requests for my API call. If I send a fourth request, then it should actually reject the API call. We should not get the response. So that is the motto of this policy. Okay. So let's actually scroll down, and you can just leave the other options as default. Okay. And here method and resource conditions, you will find two options: apply for complete API and all the resources, and second one is apply for only specific resources. By default, it will be like apply the configuration for all the APIs, methods, and resources. Just leave it as it is, because I would like to apply this policy for all of the resources of in my API. Okay, just click on apply. Now you will see under this policy section, this rate limiting policy is getting applied for my demo employee API. Let's test this. Okay, for that same API, what you have to do is like you need to just send a request by using this send button in this postman. So the expectation would be like once we request this API for 3 times in a within 2 minutes of interval, it should not allow the fourth request as per our configuration. Okay, so let's try. Let's click on send. And here if you can observe, before actually sending that button, the status is 200. Okay, that is valid one. Okay, so now I am sending it first time, I got the response. Second time I got the response and status is 200. Third time also I got the response and status code is 300. Now I have hit the API for fourth time. Now observe the response, quota has been exceeded. Quota is nothing but which we have actually configured in our policy. Three requests is my quota for 2 minutes of interval. And also you can observe the status code. This is 428. Uh, this is nothing but too many requests. 429 too many requests, because we have only configured three requests for 2 minutes of interval. So whenever you send a fourth request within that 2 minutes of interval period, it will show you this too many requests error with an error code. So also you can see this API details here. So let's wait for 2 more minutes. Now the time is 10:01. Let me open Google to show you the current time. So now the time is 10:01 p.m. Let's wait for 2 more minutes, and then let's try to invoke our API. Then let's observe the API behavior. Okay. So yeah, I will pause this video here. Let me resume after 2 minutes, and let's see. At 10:03 or 10:04 p.m., let's try to invoke our API in order to test our API policy functionality. Okay, I'm pausing this video here. So now let's check the time. Now it is 10:04 p.m. Earlier we have tested it for 10:01 p.m. And now try to invoke our API again. Yeah, now we got the response because we have requested our API after 2 minutes. So it will allow again three requests within 2 minutes of interval. So this is my first one, right? So second time, third time, and fourth time again you will get error like quota has been exceeded, 429 too many requests error as a status code. So this is how we can actually apply the rate limiting policy, and you can test it for different scenarios. You can apply this rate limiting policy also as a combination of another policies available in API platform. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and like our videos. Happy learning.